In this tutorial video, I'm going over the exact Google Ads strategy through which I was able to generate a 5x ROAS for my very own Shopify dropshipping store. Good day guys, it's Slack here, and in this video I will be going over the step-by-step process on how to set up your Google Ads Manager account and how to start running different types of Google Ads campaign. By the end of this video, you'll have 2 Google Ads campaign live and ready to go. Also, if you guys get this video to over 100 likes, I will go ahead and create a special tutorial video on how to run YouTube ads profitably. Okay, perfect. So let's get straight into it. As you guys can see, we're currently on ads.google.com. This is the homepage for Google Ads platform. This is where you'll sign up and create your Google Ads account. So the first thing you're gonna do is click on Get Started. This is where you're gonna log into your Google Ads account. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and log into my account. Before we actually go ahead and create a different campaign and different ads, we need to first set up the conversions tag on your website and on our Google Ads dashboard. So for us to do that, you need to first click on Tools and Setting, then you click on Measurement and you click on Conversions. Then you click on plus. I've already set up one specific conversion event in the past, but I'll show you guys how to do it for yourself. So click on plus, then you click on Website. Over here, you select, this is basically where we actually set up the tag. So you click on Purchase, conversion name can be purchase. In my case, I'm just gonna say purchase. Website name, let's just say baby. Cool. When it comes to value, select use different values for each conversion. Count remains as every, rest you leave as it is, and then you click on create and continue. We now actually need to set up the Google tag on our website, so we'll be selecting the Google Tag Manager option. Click next. Done. Okay, but as you can see, the tag is still pretty unverified. So for us to actually verify the tag, we need to go onto our Shopify store, click on customize your store. So now we'll be downloading the Google app, Google Ads Manager app on our Shopify store. Type in Google Tag Installer. You download the Google channel onto your store. So this way we're basically setting up the sales channel of Google onto our Shopify store. Over here, we actually go ahead and connect our Google account to the same Gmail account which we use to create our Google Ads Manager account. So make sure it's the same account, guys. So I'll quickly set that up. Okay, perfect. So after you set up your Google Ads account onto your Shopify store, this is the homepage you guys will be brought onto. As you can see, I've set up everything for you. So the next step will be going to settings. This is where you actually connect your Google Ads account. So this is the one I created. As you can see over here, 797-411, and I'm just gonna click connect. So my Shopify store will automatically sync my Google Ads account directly to through this app. What you do is you go back to your Google Ads account and you should just click refresh. So after you refresh, all your different conversion events or conversion actions should automatically come to your Google Ads account directly. So as you can see, all of the different all the different types of conversion events such as purchase, page view, shopping app, all of these should actually get mapped directly to your Google Ads account. So it's as simple as that, guys. You don't need to do any of those hard coding which you used to do back in the days. It's pretty straightforward. You just need to download the Google Channels app onto your Shopify and basically have it linked to your Google Ads account. That's it. If you guys have found this video useful this far, make sure to hit that like button for YouTube algorithm. Start creating our actual ad campaign. So for us to do that, you click on Google Ads. This way you go to the home page. You click on new campaign, sales. So these are all the different types of campaigns you can run with Google Ads. But for e-commerce, I would recommend running sales campaign, and then you type in search. Click on website visits. Over here, just type in your website name. I'll just type mine. This is just a sample website, guys. I don't own this website, so perfect. So as you can see, this is the part where we actually set up the different campaigns. So for us, let's just name it as brand name /search. Networks, I'll leave it as it is. Show more settings, start and end date. You can keep it, today, and then we don't need to have like an end date. All deck, leave it as it is. Then you go on to all countries. When it comes to location targeting, I would recommend you guys to actually target the countries where majority of your sales are coming from. So if 80% of your sales are coming from Australia, then make sure to just select that. Or if you're running different marketing campaigns for like different countries, such as the T4 countries, which is Australia, Canada, New Zealand and UK, you actually target those 4 countries. So your focus should be targeting the countries which you're already getting users from. That way you can just have your ads show up in those specific regions. So for our case study, I'll keep it Australia as it is. Language, I'll keep English. Audiences, we don't have any at the moment because we're just starting off with our brand new ads manager account. So perfect. So now budget, but with budgeting, you'd like to keep it at 10% of your overall marketing spend for your search campaign. So your marketing budget is $100. Your total ad spend for your search campaign on Google Ads should be 10% of that. So in our case, if it's $100, let's just say it would be $10. So I would recommend you guys to start off with at least $5 to $10, depending on your situation. Wouldn't recommend anything going lower than that, and see how you go with with your results. If you're getting good results, and you can bump up the budget. If you're not, then you can drop it. So when it comes to bidding, I would recommend keeping it as conversions as it is. And this is quite an important step. This is basically a bid strategy. I would recommend you to leave it as it is. Which is basically what Google does. So that's what they recommend. They like to have it as maximized conversion. So Google will automatically change the bid according to what is needed in the market, and then based on that you'll get conversions. So leave it as it is, and then you click on save and continue. Now we will be setting up the ad group level for our Google Ads campaign. So let's just click on name it as branded keywords, because we're trying to target our specific keywords which are part of our brand name, so that whenever anyone searches up our brand on Google, our ads are the first ones to be showed up onto their result page. So we'll leave it as branded keywords. This is where you can put in your website. Now this is a tricky part. So for example, if my brand is called Baby Ali, I'm just gonna basically have it as keyword Baby Ali, and then finally Baby Ali. This way I'm gonna do the exact same thing, copy and paste it and remove spaces. So guys, make sure when you're typing in your brand name to actually have 3 different types of variations. This is if you put the brand name by itself, that would become a keyword. This is where you do a broad match. If you put like a semicolon, that's when you get like a phrase match, and when you could put the square brackets, that's when you get the exact match. So make sure for whatever your brand is, have the different types of variations and have it listed like this, the way I've done over here. And now you're gonna click on save and continue. Actual ad itself. So when it comes to final URL, keep it as your website's URL. Display path, leave it as it is. This is where we will be creating different types of headlines. So the number 1 headline I like to put is actually the brand name itself. Second headline can be official website. As you can see, whenever you make any changes, it will automatically come up over here, and then you're gonna fill up all the different headlines. As you guys can see, I've gone ahead and created different types of headline for my brand, for my exact ad. So this is what I've put in over here. So as you guys can see, there's 3 descriptions, there's a couple of keywords. So what I would recommend to you guys is to actually fill out as much keywords as you can for your specific brand name. Spend some time over here to actually maximize all the keywords and try to get this to an excellent level. For the purpose of this video, to keep it short, I'm just gonna keep it this is what I'm going to fill out for here, and make sure you pull in your final URL over here, and your preview for your ad is going to show up over here. So let's click on save and continue. Now this is the final review page. This is basically where you can get an overview of everything you have set up, and finally you click on publish. So now your ads and your campaign will automatically be published. Perfect. Congratulations on creating your very first Google Ads campaign. So as you can see, it's going to take up to 1 to 2 days to be reviewed by the Google Ads team, and usually occurs in a very short time, within 1 day. So now let's click on ads and extension and click on ads. So as you guys can see, this is the ad we just created. It's under review. This is basically the dashboard. Now this is where you'll see all the different type of results after the ad goes live. So now we'll go ahead and create the second campaign for our Google Ads. So for us to do that, you actually click on over ad groups, click on all campaigns, and then you click on a new campaign. Same thing, sales. So now this time we'll be creating a display campaign, which is another type of sales campaign. So click on smart display, type in your website, www.babyellie.com. Click on continue, type in brand name, display campaign. Location, same countries, Australia. Language, keep it English. Bidding, obviously conversion. Budget, I'll recommend keeping the budget same as the search campaign, so $10. Dynamic ads, you can keep it as it is, or I would recommend you guys to have it off. Ad group name, keep it as it is. Ad group 1, doesn't matter. Okay, perfect. So now this is the part where you actually need to go ahead and start uploading some images and logos for your brand. This is basically the different types of ad which shows up onto your, as you can see over here, these are the ads which show up onto when you're browsing through Google. So I would recommend to upload a couple of logos and videos and have them saved onto your Google Ads, and that way those will be the ones which will use as a creative when Google Ads are being shown to your potential customers. So I'm gonna go ahead and start uploading my stuff. Perfect. So I've gone ahead and actually uploaded the logo for my brand. I've typed in some headlines as it is. Simple, guys. Just put in your brand name, type in some more headlines which are related to your brand, type in some couple of long descriptions. I've gone ahead and done that. And after you create your different types of variations, this is what it should look like. And finally, go ahead and click on create campaign. Business name, type in your brand. Perfect. So as you guys can see, we have gone ahead and created the second campaign for your Google Ads. This time around, it's a display campaign. Perfect. So as you can see, this is the ad we just created for your specific store. So for us to actually take a look at both the campaigns we created, we click on overview. Perfect. So this is basically now the dashboard for your Google Ads campaign. This is where you'll be seeing all the results and the different targeting locations and the actual ads itself. Well, this was my exact Google Ads strategy. If you guys found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and for me to grow this YouTube channel. And finally, subscribe for more such content on e-commerce, personal finance, and investing. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you want any topics you would like me to make my future videos on. Until then, take care and I'll see you in the next one.